welcome to day 13 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. I hope you had a lovely weekend with you and your family, if you have one, and I hope that you have been keeping up with your habits. So far, every single evening, we have been shining our sink, picking out our clothes, doing a 2-minute hot spot, and a 5-minute room rescue. And every single morning, we have been dressing to shoes, doing a hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, and a 15-minute rest. We also added on a Friday 15 minutes of email declutter. So I hope you've been doing those habits and that you have been seeing great changes coming along in your home. And today's challenge, we're going to be looking at the Flylady missions. These are something super fun that can help us to get into the mood of cleaning our homes. So when we're going to the Flylady website, we're going to look at the missions and we're going to do the daily missions. Add this on your control journal for every single morning, but please remember that this routine is customizable. So if you feel you have more energy in the evenings, you're welcome to put it there too. Okay, so you're going to want to go on the Flylady website, and once you get there, select the launch pad. Upon arriving on the launch pad, you're going to go ahead and select missions. Under the missions, you're going to find all of the missions for the week. That way, you can get a sneak peek of the whole entire week and plan accordingly. But this is today's mission, so this is what we are going to be working on today, if it applies to you. If it doesn't apply to you, then just disregard and you get a free check mark. Feel free to glance at the rest of the week. They can also be found under the sneak peek of the week. I'm not sure why that is, but that's just how it is. If you're the kind of person that likes to look at everything at a glance, I would recommend checking out the flight plan. That will include everything from what we've already been doing to what's to come, along with today's mission, if that's more your style. Otherwise, if you prefer to see the whole week, go ahead and select either missions or a sneak peek of the week. And there you have it. That's how you view the mission. Now, if it applies to you, let's go ahead and get it done. And if it doesn't, free check mark for the day. So as you can see, the missions are so fun because they're always super random and you never know what you're going to get. So each and every day, moving forward, put it in your control journal. You're going to want to put it in the morning, but if you're more of a night person, this is completely customizable. Go ahead and put it in the evening. Just make sure that you get it done throughout the day. It's going to be so much fun and a little incentive to clean up our homes. Speaking of zones, this is not to do with the 31 baby steps, but just a little tip so you can get a little bit of an edge if you're feeling overwhelmed on decluttering and you don't know where to start when we do our daily 15 minutes. Just go ahead and work on your zones. That way you have a set place every single week to work on. Each week is divided into the zone. Zone 1 would be the entryway, Zone 2 is the kitchen, Zone 3 is another room and the main bathroom, Zone 4 is the main bedroom, and Zone 5 is the living room. But if you have a room that is bothering you more than any of these, for the 31 Baby Step Challenge, feel free to work on this room. Feel free to work on all of the rooms that bother you the most. That way, when the challenge is over, you can hit the floor running. However, if you don't know where to start and if you're feeling overwhelmed, I invite you to please begin in your zones because that way, after the challenge, you'll already be in the habits of working in your zones. Don't forget to comment done when you finish today's challenge. If you don't have any trash in your bedroom, then today you get a free check mark, but be sure to check those missions every single day. They are really, really fun because you never know what you're gonna get. Don't forget that you can get a bonus entry by tagging me on Instagram with a picture of your control journal. I would love to see your beautiful creations and maybe you can help inspire others at Build Their Home on Instagram. So go ahead and connect with me there and tag me for a bonus entry. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. To God be the glory. Bye.